relevant. Go for a second. I forgot to add that don't forget your creator. I'm going to say creator because we have other religious people in the house, so I'll make it your creator. Oh no, don't forget your creator. Prayer is the most important. I was fortunate to find, when you're young, I don't know whether we still call those ones boyfriends. The JSS times are those ones boyfriends. So my first boyfriend, first year university. I had one. He was very wealthy. So in the same way I chose my friends and the business, the same way I chose a turkey. I chose a very yes. I've had 2 proposals. Yes.
What did you
some differences that we couldn't reconcile, I did not go on with it. I'm hoping that yes, the third one comes soon enough, and I'm hoping that he's also going to go there.